Alzheimer's Society's Walk for Memories in support of local people that are affected by Alzheimer's disease. All of the money today that's raised remains in the district and Sault Ste. Marie for programs such as recreational therapy, education, and support. Of course, the important thing is the awareness that this event raises in the community. This is the first year that baby boomers are actually turning 65, and your risk increases after 65. I believe it's 1 in 11. So your risks are quite high, and they did a survey, and there's a shocking amount, about 23% of people that don't know the early warning signs. 2,200 people in Sault Ste. Marie and Algoma district that are affected by this disease. And what people think is that Alzheimer's disease is just an elderly person's disease. People are actually getting Alzheimer's in their 40s and 50s now. Everybody has a little bit of extra forgetfulness now and again, but if you start putting your keys in the sugar bowl, for instance, that might be something that you should be looking into. It's important to keep your brain as active as your physical body, so doing crossword puzzles, doing social activities, wearing a helmet, anything that keeps your brain healthy is really, really important. And we've actually incorporated that into today's event. We've got search-a-words that we're handing out, a scavenger hunt, we've got a puzzle along the route, we've got a matching game along the route. This is all stimulating your brain, so we're trying to enlighten people to make sure that not only you're going out for a walk, but you're also getting that brain going. Well, we're hoping to have about 140, 150 people or more, and raising over $32,000.
Wow, that's quite a lot.
Yes, and the support in the community is unbelievable. We're very proud of the community and all of our supporters, sponsors, volunteers, anyone that's connected to this event. We're very grateful, and I'd like to extend a thank you to all of them.